Okay, Zach, I'm going to say one word to you. I'm going to throw up a chart and I'm going to throw in you a curveball. You don't know what I'm about to say, and I want you to go. So you get ready. Just, brace yourself.
Is this going to be like a crypto?
Well, yeah, it's one word. Get ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. I like how you're getting ready with the hat, and the hair. Notice notice I got the hair and the man does not. Okay, here's your one word.
By the way, and
there you go. All right, here's the one word. XRP. Go.
Revolutionary technology that, if they defeat the SEC, will skyrocket in price. But it's amazing they're still a top 6 crypto, even though they've been held up in a lawsuit in the last 2 years.
What do you think we're going to see? When are we going to see the judgment? How do you think it's going to go down? All that kind of stuff.
I think we're not going to have a clear winner or loser.
Ooh,
I think it's going to be.
He went there.
I think it's going to be a stalemate when it's all said and done. I think they're going to pay a fine, and it'll essentially be very anticlimactic, and XRP will go on to do unbelievable things, and they'll have a good relationship with the U.S. government.
So you think it'll be a no blood, mutually draw, if you will?
And the government will get their money because they essentially came out too soon without, the necessary I's dotted and T's crossed, and then they'll find a way to work together.
Do you think XRP will be designated as a security as part of this negotiated ceasefire, if you will?
That's a good point. I don't know.
And will they hug afterwards? I love that question.
will they embrace each other?
Will they all go out for a beer later? I don't think so. But no, I mean, but that's the question, right? If we have a mutually kind of negotiated, neither side wins, where does that security commodity thing come down? Because that, at the end of the day, is the $1 trillion question.
That's a great point. I mean, I guess that's probably the bigger thing than anything else. I mean, I'm gonna answer the question, I guess, with another statement, because I don't know, but I think it's fascinating how the SEC and the CFTC look at Ethereum completely differently. The SEC deems Ethereum as a security, similar to how they see XRP,
because they want to control it. They want to manage it.
Yeah, the CFTC thinks about it as a commodity because they want to control it as a commodity.
Yes.
So, I mean, I just don't know. I mean, how many cryptos are there?
Well, let's get the exact number. Hold on.
And how many new cryptos are created every day?
Oh, it's insane.
What are you going to do with that?
There are 20, as of CoinMarketCap, there are 20. I'm sorry. I hit a button. Apologize. I'll quit it, Austin. 23,777 cryptos right now. And there are hundreds or more created daily.
What are you going to do with that?
I don't know the answer to that.
Because I really think it deserves its own asset class.
Well, here's the thing.
And I think Bitcoin is a commodity. I think everything else should be labeled something completely different.
Well, what we're really talking about, though, is who's heading up the SEC. It needs to be somebody that's so not anti-crypto. Let's call it what it is. And whether that landscape changes and all that, that's a whole other discussion. But I think it's about control, right? And I think the final thought on XRP, I think the issue is going to be what is defined at. I actually agree with you to an extent that XRP, the SEC lawsuit, I literally think that's what they're doing. And yes, I know the judge is there and all that kind of stuff, but I think behind closed doors, I think they're meeting to try to make it go away. And the SEC is saying, they're saying without saying, we want to do this without getting any proverbial egg on our face, if you will. Right.
Yeah. And I think if this wasn't XRP, it'd be over.
Because XRP had the money to fight them. And
they're going to pay over $100 million.
Yeah. The SEC thought they would just roll over them. Right. And because that's why I love that it was Ripple that they ended up getting in this dogfight with, because ironically, Ripple had enough capital and cash flow to be able from global worldwide operations to be able to fight it.
Yep. And now it's become the precedent that will be, the answer to security versus commodity. At least we think it will be.
Yeah.
It's interesting. to say
Yeah.
the